We got another AMP video. We gotta push the button. AMP, push the button too.
No, that's not hard. It's like that nigga does right.
Can I get a kiss? I said I'm about to go to war. And now, mama. You guys are so uncultured, man. Jeez. Alright. Let's hope I can find it.
I'm not gonna lie. I think out of all the AMP members, bro, and it's literally Chris and Davis that cannot. No, an agent can't dress either. Chris Davis and agent cannot fucking dress.
I don't know if I'm a...
This outfit weak, bro. Chad, this outfit weak, bro.
You guys are so uncultured, man. Jeez. Alright.
It's not that the outfit is weak, cause that is a sweet ass jacket, that is some sweet ass pants, but I feel like he tried hard putting those two pieces together. Those are pieces where it tells his own story, bro. I feel like clothes kind of supposed to like collaborate with each other. I feel like those pieces is like, yeah, he just chopped, yeah.
Let's hope I can find an astrology queen.
Oh.
Okay, how you doing? Nice to meet you, my name is Davis. Okay, nice to meet you. Okay, you can tell me a little bit about yourself?
I'm Black, Spanish, and Indian.
Black, Spanish, and Indian. All right.
What about you? What's your name?
My name is Davis. All right, we're going to get to the important questions, though, okay?
Bring it in.
Who's your favorite artist?
Let me see her phone.
What do you think about Kanye? Come on.
Can I press it now?
No, you can't. I already pressed it.
I gotta go?
You do.
Hey! Sit there. Hey,
Fuck you.
Why you do that? Why you pass on that?
No, she said yays and nuts. She's a fucking nut.
Hell nah, Davis, hell nah. I mean, I went there, I like Kanye, but I went there faster though.
she just spent yeah. Time to pack her ass up. You out there, but I ain't hit it, bro.
She rock with Nip. Nigga, we got to.
I don't know what it was. He tried to. What you say to make him do that?
He's just crazy. He was ready, just he wanted to get me out of here.
My name's Shalee. Where you from? Let's focus from there. How old are you?
25. Okay, I feel like I gotta leave it.
I'm not gonna tap this motherfucker. I'm gonna get your contact information.
You got your phone?
Damn, I don't. My shit is in my. You got yours? Boy, that's yeah. One of the best guys. Yeah.
Fun fact, y'all look good together.
So if he said I wasn't a bit, at least, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Some slight, some time forward.
right. I see them up there, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, man, you can do this way if you want to. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey.
That's my type, nigga, that's my type!
Okay, hey, what your name is?
Mariah.
Mariah?
Damn!
Shit like Mariah Carey.
Yes, I can sing.
You like dancing? Okay. Like, that's the shit. Like, what shit? Tell me about yourself.
I'm an actress. I can speak 3 different languages.
What language this week? Yeah, if you got 360, you got what? Easy.
Okay. Hell nah, that bitch cannot clap. Stop it. But it is like...
Can I grab that? I have a penis or your vagina. That shit is... Sit down. Sit that ass down.
She was trying to let him grab it, bro. Oh my god, golly.
What's your type of niggas? What type of niggas you like?
Niggas with tattoos.
That's me. Hello.
Money.
That's me. Hello.
That's me!
That's me.
Wait. She said money? Hold on. Let me shut the fuck up.
Hello. I can pick your ass up and leave you there, you heard?
Try it.
Fuck up right now.
Oh!
I don't know what
I got you, you feel what I'm saying? That's like one. Shit, like, if you fucking with me, I'm fucking with you. If you look through the scene right now, right person is playing. Huh? You fucking with me? You don't have to see the other niggas, you rocking with me? Alright, bet. Nice to meet you, shorty. I've seen
Fun fact, I does not have a penis.
What? I have a penis. You're lying. Oh! Your dick was hard. No, my dick is big. I don't know hard.
My dick is big,
Damn.
Valid.
It's time? Oh, right now?
What was your main idea you had?
Nah, we gotta go. I'm thinking like, I wanna use the backpack though, because like we bought the shit, so we might as well fucking use it. I'm saying, we up to 6 fights and shit like that, bro.
Exactly, because like honestly, what other fun do we have? It's so great.
Okay, hold on. Two people saying the same thing to me. I'm saying though, like, you're not listening, bro. Like,
I'm not listening at all.
I want to be able to do it, but the problem is like, how the fuck are we gonna get on the ride? Okay, but like, if I'm fucking, you have to think, nigga, like, the whole point of going 6 Flags is to go on rides. If I'm not going on rides, what's the point?
Lowe's not gonna go on a ride.
He's 100% going on a ride, guaranteed.
Okay.
Well, he might not go, like, look, he might not go on the animatronic stuff, but I'm more worried about the tech stuff. Low, for the most part, like, he's gonna be down. I'm so sorry. Just give me one second. He'll be straight, I'm pretty sure. But I just want it to be entertaining. It needs to be like 4 or 5 hours, max like 5 hours. It needs to be like hella action. Like, we need to be doing shit. I don't know, like the next person has to. Yeah.
We got pretty much everything in fact, but the whole day is gonna be crazy pretty much all the way from the beginning to the end.
Yeah. Yo. Okay, I love the energy. What's your name? Leona. Oh, okay. My name is Dean, or Agent Zero. Nice to meet you.
She likes to eat ass.
You like to eat ass?
Only if it's the right ass. It gotta be I love you ass.
Right. How do you do it? Like you?
Yo, trying to eat my ass. She gonna get motherfucking DDT, motherfucker. She gonna get like, bro. Oh hell no, I'm not into that.
You just sucking dick and then you just like, let me just.
It gotta be every time you get a little bit lower.
Like in the morning or at night, right after work, in the shower. Okay. I mean, yo, why does shit go right? She pumping! Niggas is playing on my downfall. What the fuck? Nah. It's okay. I'm from Canada, by the way. Yeah, some people I bet say that. I don't know those niggas, but.
I got good weed out there.
You think?
No.
Or you just heard?
I used to watch Degrassi.
Are you like a drama show type of person?
No, I like sci-fi. Smoke some weed, watching space stuff, maybe do some shrooms. I'm a spiritual gangster, that's what they call me.
Well, it's like the hardest drug you ever done. It's not game tasing.
No, that's not hard.
That's not hard.
What's a hard drug to you?
Hey, bro, get her number so she can eat your ass later. Hey,
You're right. I'm so sorry. There's like 6 people waiting on me. You're right. That's super insensitive. Let me get your number real quick.
Alright.
I'm so sorry about that. I know there's like a line of people and there's some.
You got some sci-fi, we fall in love, I might be.
Come here. I appreciate you.
Nice to meet you. What happened to you?
You too. Yeah, I'm about to get my ass eaten. Sit. Oh, she a follower.
How are you? Nice.
Can you see what I see?
Marietta.
My bad. I live in Woodstock.
What's up?
Yeah.
How you like doing?
It's alright. Right on the fire over there. You know what I'm saying? Transfer from New Jersey. Fuck with the king.
You had the best on.
I just got off work. Yeah.
No, I'm good. I don't really. I'm positive. How are you?
Shit, I'm 19.
Okay, what do you enjoy doing with your free time?
Smoke bogeys.
Oh, bogies. I got multiple jobs and shit. Like, I own a construction company and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Like,
What's your company name?
Real nigga LLC. You know what I'm saying? Real shit like that.
That is cap.
That's not cat. You know what I'm saying?
Bitch.
All I wanted was a zero minimum
Oh my god. Why would she even play Phantom like that?
The vibe just wasn't there.
How you doing? I don't even sit down without fucking getting a hug and shit. Like, what the fuck?
Hi.
How you doing? What's your name? What's your name?
My name is.
He ain't got no ass blockers.
I would say this shit.
Nah, I got an ass blocker.
What's your name? Like, you
I don't know how to do that.
So how you say? Oh, I'm a stylist motherfucker. This man is really saying it. Like,
Yo puedo vestir muy bien, puedo vestirme cabrona, like.
Oh my gosh. What's your type?
I like a man that's fearless, a man that is healed.
No passion, like.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yes, so someone that just knows themselves, that is aware of themselves.
Stand up. Fun fact about Valentina, she believes in rocks. Oh my god.
I believe in crystals.
I love rocks. I love crystals. Oh my god.
You do?
I do. I got a couple of them.
Okay, so are you into like that type of stuff? Like spirituality, like
astrology, manifestation.
oh, okay, what's your
Fact about Chris, he had a 3-month spiritual retreat last year.
I'm telling you on the perfect.
See, I don't know. Do I really believe like the movie? Where did you go?
I was in Rome. Definitely like 5 years fucking.
I'm trying to go on my wild.
He dabbles in psychedelics.
Yeah.
Okay, now I know you're lying.
No, I do.
Fun fact about Chris, that nigga does crack.
Ailmans, bro. That's Ailmans, bro. Cause at first she was fucking with Chris, bro.
The last known fact about Chris, he was always having sexual intercourse in nature.
Yeah, I do. Oh my god. Yeah, cause I don't really air like the house. Oh my god.
I thought I pressed the button.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Well, it was nice to meet you, Chris.
nice to meet
I'm
you.
sending you all love.
I love you too. Introduce yourself to him, bro. Hey, talk to him, my nigga. Come on now, come on, bring him in, my nigga.
My sky.
Shit, I want a hug. Can I get a hug? I'm sure like that. I need me a hug. The fuck? That's my type of nigga right there. That's my type of nigga right there.
Getting right into it. I didn't even, you heard my name. What's your name? Josh. Nice to meet you. For a reason you can
Answer the question though.
Honestly, no. I don't think I can say honestly. I never have.
This is my nigga.
A bit more calm things. Like, I like art, a good picnic, I like food, I love to cook. Damn. Wow. Shit.
Oh hell, bro, come on now. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna care, he fucked up, bro. I'm thinking like, okay, he finna read his girly, bro. Not like that, bro. Not like that. Bro, I'm thinking like, he finna raise her up. Bro.
Damn. That's crazy.
Nah.
That was great. Cool. That was a dub anyway, I'm not gonna lie.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Why you looking at me like that?
Is the button ready?
Nah, niggas, he flew me off. We not doing this today. Stop. It don't count, right? Yeah, you're done. You're done. I'll give it a button to you. Cut to the chase. Stop doing that. Stop doing this.
I don't want you.
Why? What the fuck I do? What's your type?
Not you.
Oh my god! Like what though? Like what's your type? Just talk.
It doesn't matter because you're not.
Alright, what's your type? Just communicate.
Well, first off, nigga that smokes cigarettes is out of there.
First of all, you don't know what I've been going through, so
That's cool.
what you mean? Well, alright, you smoke weed? Alright, so what you smoke? You drink? Oh, that's your poison. I don't drink. You know what I'm gonna say shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, time fuck with these little ass girls, like, you know, I'm taking a grown ass woman, like, hurry, no,
Hey, what?
You're not saying.
Get fuck you in.
try again, you should.
Hey, okay, nah. What do you mean, Sway? What do you mean, Sway?
Like, you sure you don't want to try it again?
You got this cigarette in your hand still. You're not my type.
We can be friends. We can't be friends though. Because I'm 9 to 5, nigga, right? Got a little gold take on and shit like that. You won't fuck with me, that's what it is. True before.
Come on.
So like, would you go out with somebody that got a 9 to 5?
Yeah. They're attractive.
So I'm ugly?
You're my type.
What's your type?
Not you. I already told you that, especially smoking that cigarette. You out of there. Then you gonna try to pass him a cigarette? Wow. Next.
Fucking God, bro. Like, what type of... Bro, fuck all that, bro. I ain't gonna, I'm a real ass nigga. Like, at the end of the day, like, niggas know what the fuck going on. Like, for me, I'm a real nigga. Like, if I wanna smoke some bogeys, I could do that, word?
How you doing? What's your name? Tia. Nice to meet you. My name is Davis.
What's that come?
I'm actually gonna come through and take care of us.
Oh, wow.
You just get her water. You can get her water.
Please.
Water for her, yeah. Yeah, I mean, so tell me a little bit about yourself.
What you want to know? I don't know.
You got any hobbies? I want to get to know you better. Like, you got any
I
hobbies?
like getting to know each other.
Each other. Okay, well, my name is Davis. I'm 22. So I just do YouTube, sell some dope on the side. Nothing too serious. But just,
You can't just slip that in there like that.
it's not for real. It's just like a startup business I'm getting into, yeah. But yeah, you're gonna take care of us. You want water, right?
Yeah.
Cool, you can.
What is that?
It's just an application.
It's an application.
Yeah, you can.
I'm sorry.
Oh my God!
You didn't ask me. I feel like you didn't ask me for it. You can't go through somebody else. I'm sorry.
That's how it is. That's it. It is what it is, Tia. It is what it is, Tia.
Well, it's nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you, though.
You're handsome.
Thank you. I appreciate it, security. You got it done, man. Hey, how you doing?
Damn.
Right. Just need you to answer my questions. Yes. Everybody loves Chick-fil-A. Question 1. You need to ask?
No.
I ask questions. You like to get choked?
Yeah.
Yeah. What? Like, do y'all know what like getting choked mean though? Like yes, do I do it? I might do it, you know what I mean? But why do y'all like that? That don't make sense. Why do you like getting choked? Freaky ass.
Up toes?
No.
You been to therapy?
Yeah.
Can you give me a 360? God damn, God.
Fuck. Jesus Christ. Fucking fuck. God damn. Oh shit.
You can pat though, right? For sure. You can sit down. Wait, hold on. Get back up. One more 360. God.
some water, you ready?
Make it clap this one time.
God damn. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Sit your ass down. Sit your ass down.
Sit back down. Sit back down. Sit back down. You ever had period sex? Gotcha. That dude dominated? Hey, we're locked in. Can I get your number? God damn. Oh my God, you aced the test.
You were just asking freaky questions.
You aced the test.
That's all the questions is about. Then I'm.
It's respectful though. It's good to meet you.
You as well.
You had the food though.
I got these, bro.
Yeah, that is. Have a beautiful blessed day.
You too.
Cheers and stuff.
Man.
How you doing?
What's up?
What's up? You right, it's right there, man. How you doing? What's your name?
I'm Sinead. Yes. What's your name?
Oh hell no, she ain't staying up. Oh hell no, she ain't fucking with bro. She is not fucking with bro.
What's your name?
Oh shit, what's yours? Yo, this is actually my first 2 minutes. I always been such a lonely nigga in my life. Like, just like, I'm like, yo, this one person, I don't want nobody else to be a part of it. This is just a me and her thing, you know?
She ain't fucking bro.
But, that changes today, so, like, for real, like, for real, which I do for me, you know,
I just live. I just exist.
Okay.
I'm just here. You know what I'm saying? Yes, for real.
What about you? What you do for real? So you real independent, you on your shit? Oh, you don't need a nigga for nothing?
Nah.
Okay, I'm
You do poetry. Okay, well, give me some. Give me some good.
fucking word. Stand up, man.
Man, I ain't.
Away with that book.
Wait.
Always been saying, I adore you, I adore you, I adore you, I want more of you.
Damn, nigga, it's my
You was scaring him away with that bullshit ass poem, nigga. That weak ass poem you did, nigga. Nigga, learn how to do a good poem, nigga. That shit was whack, nigga.
Oh wait.
Even something that you get to a lady.
Oh, she's only out in four.
I'm a hugger, so I gotta bring it in.
Why you apologizing? How you doing? I'm Shanasia. Yes, so Duke, what's your name? Kai.
You smell amazing.
Thank you.
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna run into the whole thing. You know what I'm saying? I like what you got going on now.
I appreciate it.
Oh yeah, she a dick already. She on her. Chris, oh my god. Do you know where I live? Do you know where I'm from? You wanna get oh my god. You been watching me. Bitch, you been watching me, huh? And I like that. I like a woman who's been watching me. You been watching me.
Wait, keep that around.
Wait, where you from?
Keep that around.
Fun fact, Kai has a small penis.
And if nobody is,
First of all, think about it. How the fuck would they know? That's kind of AO. It's either niggas are just hating or just capping on my name. It's between the two. You know what I'm saying? But we gonna ignore them because that's not what I'm here for. I'm here for you, and he's here for you. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you something real quick. I don't got no little thing.
She's talking about, I hope you got no little thing. What?
say, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's none of his business. And I feel like that's none of my business. That's why I ain't speaking on the boat. You know what I'm saying? Like, but I don't. I'm like, you don't really need to do no more talking. Like, to talk. And you right up the road too, man.
Right up there. Nothing less than that.
Kira once was a disabled woman.
You call a disabled girl?
She like, Rocco, I'm sorry, like she was fucking with my nigga.
Bitch ass.
How was she? In what way was she disabled?
Like her leg paralyzed. She was in a wheelchair. So I ran up on the hoe like, you fuck with my nigga, I'm gonna fuck with you. That nigga was fucking with a disabled girl? I guess the pussy was good, so I had to tell him what was really good.
Oh, right.
You ever beat your nigga up?
I beat this fuck up every day.
Hey, damn. Hey, pack this shit up, man. Y'all fucking decision. I'm packing this shit up. I'm cool with y'all, so y'all cool, we cool.
Look. Hey, but that's why me and you so locked in, we ain't got to do too much time. All you got to come set up real quick. Let me.
Hey,
anyways, hey, Ace and Spoon, you.
My bad. I'm late for work. How you doing? My name's Jerry. I can't do you. I go. I'm okay. Which one you okay? I don't watch it. Motherfucker, goddamn. Alright, this time you can't back me up quick. You gotta give me a chance. That ass. Niggas really do gotta go to work.
You smoke cigarettes.
I don't smoke cigarettes.
You have cigarettes in your pocket.
So cigarettes is a massive turn on, I see.
No, but that's it.
Don't judge a book by its cover. Please, because I'm not judging you. I couldn't learn. God damn, this shit not even fair for I don't even know her name. What's your name? I don't care. What you talking about? You outside and say, I can't say y'all.
Why would you come back?
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Damn. You can just tell. If you know, you know. And nigga, I know.
For sure.
How you doing?
I fucking knew it.
Okay.
My name is Agent Zero.
My name is Desi.
Desi.
Yeah, Desi Ann, but you can call me Desi.
Desi Ann. Where you from?
I'm from Brooklyn. How long you been out here?
About 4 years now.
You live in Atlanta?
Can I see that bag?
Can you see my bag?
Can I see it?
You like it? Why you take my bag? Can I take this? Yeah.
Hey, what y'all want? He's a thug! You're a thug! She ain't got no money, bro. You're a thug!
You a thug.
Money, bro.
Nah, you gotta go now.
I'm at the come on.
How you gonna take my bag?
I saw it as an opportunity.
I'm thinking, you know, you're gonna admire the bag like it's cute. Yeah, because why would you take my bag and run? Like,
I apologize. That's
it's okay.
disrespectful.
It's not disrespectful, never. And I gave you a hug and everything. Like, that's just so wrong. Yes. Hello.
Nah, Davis, I don't like watching Davis talk to girls, bro. Oh shit, it's a small girl. Wait.
Our producer's about to go.
Lucy. Ears.
What do you like to do?
I like to shop.
Okay. Yeah. Spend somebody else's.
Well,
What do you do?
I work for the courthouse.
So you mean like that's what you do?
I mean, it depends on what they do.
Hey, I was just about to tell you, Ray, she's a small business owner.
I don't care. She's over there. I'm done.
He don't have his own money. It's okay.
Hey, show me a bag right now. Show me a bag right now.
Do you see me?
Show me a
Do
bag.
I look broke to you?
Show me a bag.
Do I look broke to you? Do you have jewelry on?
Let's compare. No,
Oh, you don't have any jewelry?
Let's go band for band right there. Band for band.
Let's go band for band! Shit, I only got a band to go band for band for that like right now.
What do you got in your savings?
Get your jewelry up.
What?
I'm not gonna lie, we're not with that.
How you doing?
Okay.
Tell me.
Don't pick me up though.
No. Okay, my bad.
I knew where you was going with it.
I'm not even, look, I'm gonna be fucking honest. I'm not even worthy of being your fucking present.
Don't do that.
No, I'm serious. I'm not even worried.
What the fuck? I don't like that. I don't like when Chris does that, bro.
Tanya.
Fun fact, she loves to be picked up while she's having sex.
Like also it's so crazy because I got this one move where like I literally like called the helicopter. I picked them up and I go like this while spinning. So if you with that, like you
I don't know
doing
about spinning.
You know what the spin is? So we can take the spin out. You know what I'm saying? That's just my body. I like to.
And you gotta be able to handle my weight. Like you can't be like shaking.
So niggas can handle you like the whole package, or like sexually, or like.
I need a little bit of everything.
You know that Constant has been lifting for the past year in the weight room.
I've been lifting this. I've been lifting this. I would wrap this shit up like that's cool with you. I get your information, contact. You know what I'm saying? That's cool with you. Like. Because when I look at you.
Oh hell nah, bitch. Bitch, you tried it. Give me 3 reasons why, bitch. Cause I asked. Straight like that. I'm not even trolling right now. Cause I asked.
I see a goddess. 2, I want to prove to you that you give me a chance.
Hey, yo, no, I ain't saying all that. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Bro, Zone, bro. I really appreciate you all for staying tuned, bro. Really, bro. Much love, brother. 3 reasons. That's what I'm saying, bitch. What are you talking about? Like, what the fuck? But much love, bro. I'm about to edit these videos, bro. And I love you, bro. And thank you for watching the video, bro.